So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you latest important updates about Surging Hippocoin, its price prediction 2025, and its Binance Spot listing, and still many other major central exchanges has no list this meme coin. So is it possible that we can see this meme coin to be the next listing for all other major central exchanges? And right now, as Moontank coin is trending here and more than 80% pump in last 24 hours, so is it also possible that we can see Surging coin to be the pump next year, and we can expect at least 2 to 3x profit from this meme coin in short term, because in long term definitely this meme coin is the next $1 billion market cap, and we can see this meme coin in top 100 or in top 50 cryptocurrencies also, because this high trading volume, high market cap meme coin in Sui ecosystem. Okay, as right now we have massive Solana ecosystem meme coin and many Binance Smart Chain ecosystem meme coin, Ethereum meme coin, but this is Sui chain meme coin, Sui ecosystem meme coin. So that's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. Friends, before further details about Sitting Hippo coin, if you like my content and if you want to watch more meme coins video, 1000x potential meme coins video, then you have to support Sky Crypto channel. I have provided you these all my crypto addresses links in description, and also on my Telegram channel. You have to just join my Telegram channel, link in description. You can click here, pin message. You can get my crypto addresses here, and you can support Sky Crypto channel by BNB, Ethereum, Tron, and Solana for the next 1000x potential meme coins. So friends, first of all, I can see Moondank coin is more than 105% pumped here. So Soothing Hippo is also sister coin of this meme coin. Okay, you can see in last 30 days more than 300% pump here. In last 7 days 90% pump, but in last 24 hours this meme coin is pumped by 104% here. But you can see this meme coin on Sui chain is a hippo symbol. So this is Moondang sister meme coin. So it's also possible that we can see same return, same pump in this meme coin. Okay, and just coming few days here, because last 30 days performance is no doubt good, but you can see in last 14 days jump by almost 25%, and in last 7 days just jump by 7% here. So still this meme coin is not pump huge here just like Moondang. So still we have maybe good pump ahead. We can see soon this meme coin market up to maybe 300 to 500 million dollars here. We can see current market is 58 million dollars, but in short term I think it's also possible that we can see the same rally here in this meme coin price also, because friends, $77 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is awesome. 10 billion coin supply, all in circulation. So ecosystem hippo theme meme coin, we are only for 7% down this all time high that was just 16 days ago, and we are 228% up in this all time low. So this is good. That was 28 days ago, and these are central exchanges where this meme coin is listed: Bitget, Get.io, MEXC, exchange, xt.com, BingX, and so many central exchanges has already listed this meme coin. And I think Binance Futures is also list this coin. So it's also possible that we can see soon it's listing on maybe crypto.com, Bybit. So it's still lower substantial exchange listing left for trading Hippo coin, but it's possible, definitely possible that we can see it's listing on all major central exchanges, because trading volume is good, market cap is good, blockchain is very unique. Okay, switch and blockchain meme coin. So blockchain is also very unique, and you can see this is Moondang's sister meme coin, and you can check out all further details on their website. You can see listed on Binance, I think in future, but not in spot. Okay, and you can join their social communities here. So no doubt website is looking good because it's a meme coin. And first, now my price prediction about meme coin is that in long term, after 8 to 12 months from now, in next year mega balloon, this meme coin can be in $1 billion. Definitely we can see its market from just $158 million to maybe 5 to $10 billion here. Okay, friends, it's really possible that we can see Soothing Hippo a market up to 5 to $10 billion in next 8 to 12 months, means in next year mega balloon, because it's the ecosystem meme coin and the highest trading volume, high market meme coin is the ecosystem. So it's possible that all central exchanges will definitely list this meme coin, and we can see its market cap in 5 to $10 billion in next year mega balloon. But friends, this is my own price prediction about this meme coin. It can be true or not, so you have to do your own research if you're not making investment in this meme coin. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? You can also comment down below.